Hi everyone, welcome back to 汉字说故事 The story of Chinese character. Today we are going to share 美 means beauty or beautiful. 美 actually represents a person wearing a sheepskin coat. We will start from the first part, sheep, and then second part, person. These are its horns and the eyes, and then it evolved to this. And eyes, nose. Then it becomes the modern yang. Sheep we use today. Yang. In ancient time, sheepskin was a common material for keeping warm, and a person also wore it for a normal occasion. Person. Person is here, and the sheep here. Since sheep are gentle and docile, wearing sheepskin symbolized that a person was gentle and elegant. During ancient royal rituals, wearing sheepskin shows that a person was a completely submissive as a sheep, obeying the will of heaven. We review again. Sheep, yang. When a person wearing a sheepskin coat, we will say, oh, they are beauty. Mei, we say, mei. If you want to describe a person very beautiful, you can say 你好美 你好美 It's very easy, right? Don't forget to practice. Bye bye.